Good morning dear students, welcome to my video. In the previous video, we have learned about the properties of square numbers and also some interesting and beautiful patterns using square numbers. Hope you remember that. But in this video, we are going to learn how to find the square of a number. So everybody knows that how to find a square of a number. To find the square of a number, you have to multiply the number 2 times. For example, 9 square is equal to 9 into 9, that is 81. 15 square is 15, 2 times you have to multiply. You know the multiplication, so answer is 225. 18 square, 18 into 18, it is 324. 25 square, all squares 2 times you have to multiply. The same number 2 times you have to multiply, and normal multiplication you have to do. So you will get the answer. So this is the way how you will do square of a number. So there are some other methods also to find the square of a number. So some few methods we are going to discuss today. So first method, method 1. In this method, this is not applicable for single digit numbers. Little more even bigger number, that is 2 digit, 3 digit number and all, you can use this method also. One example I will show you, so you will understand how you have to do that. For example, we will take one 2 digit number 63. Square of 63, that is 63 square. This number you have to write, split that number and write. So that is 60 plus 3. Which is expanded form in lower classes you have learned. 63 you can write it as 60 plus 3. 115 how you will write? 100 plus 15. So 95 how you will write? 90 plus 5, like that. So you have to split it as 2 numbers. Now square means this whole square you have to put. So 60 expanded it or splitted the number to 60 plus 3 and put square, because 63 square it is. So square you have to write here also. What is the next step? What is 60 plus 3 the whole square means? 60 plus 3 2 times you have to multiply. That is 60 plus 3 into 60 plus 3. Now this each one you have to multiply. How you will multiply this? You keep this bracket same as it is, no change. This bracket you have to split and write. So first number is 60 and second number is 3 here. 60 you have to multiply with full 60 plus 3. 60 into full this second number 60 plus 3. Now second number of first term you have to take, that is plus 3 into again this into 60 plus 3. 60 plus 3. Now next step is distributive property, what you have learned. So each one you have to multiply 60 into 60 and 60 into 3. Here also 3 into 60 and 3 into 3. So it will come 60 plus 60 into 3 plus 3 into 60 plus last term 3 into 3. Next step, how you will write? 60 into 60. How you will write? 6 6 are 36. How many zeros you have to put? 2 zeros. Easy multiplication it is. 60 into 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 into and 1 0 you have to put. So 180 plus 3 into 60. 6 3s are again it is 80 and put this 0 here. Plus 3 3s are 9. Next you have to add all these together. So last term it is 9, then 8, 8, 16, 1 remainder, the next term 6 plus 1 it is 7 and 8 and 9, so 9 and this one will be 3. So 3969. You can add it by writing one below the other and add it, no problem. This is the way you will find the square of the number. So what are the steps you just see? Split the number into 2 numbers that is 63, you can split it as 60 plus 3 and find the square. Square means 2 times you have to write and multiply. So this 60 plus 3 into 60 plus 3. Now you have to split the terms. First term you have to split it as 60 and 3. So 60 into full this bracket plus 3 into full that bracket. Now again distributive property, 60 into 60 plus 60 into 3 plus 3 into 60 plus 3 into 3. Multiply each one and total you have to find. So answer you will get. So one more sum I will show you. So it will be clear for you. Second sum, 86 square. 86 you can write it as 80 plus 6 the whole square. 80 plus 6 into 80 plus 6, 2 times. Square means 2 times you have to write. Now each one split it. 80 into full term. Second one full. 80 plus 6 into again full term 80 plus 6. Next distributive property, 80 into 80. Each one you have to multiply. It will come 80 into 80 plus 80 into 6 plus 6 into 80 plus 6 into 6. Next step, 80 into 80. 8 8s are 64, put 2 zeros. Plus 8 6 are 48 and put this 0. Plus 6 8s are 48 again and put this 0 plus 36. Now together you have to add. If you can't do mental calculation, you write like this and do 6400, 480, again 480 and 36. 6, 9, carry over 1, then 3 and 1, 7. So that is equal to 7396. So this is the way of doing square of a number, different method. Not like the normal method what you are doing by multiplying the number itself 2 times. So this method, hope you understood this. Now second method, method 2. This method is applicable for only the numbers ending with 5, like 75, 25, 95, 115, like that. Those numbers square how to find by using this method that we are going to see. Now, so unit place digit will be 5. If unit place digit is 5 means the ending number will be 25. Any number you take 15 square. What is the 15 square? It is 225. See, the ending number is 25. 25 square you take, it is 625. So the ending number you see, it is 25. This property you are utilizing here. So one example I will show you how to find that. 75 square you can take. 75 square. So last digit is 5, that is unit place digit is 5 means here last two digits will be 25. So before that which number will come, that you have to see. For that, here it is 7. So you have to multiply 7 and the next number, that is 7 into 7, after 7 number is 8. 7 into 8 hundreds. So 7 into 8 is 56. 5600 plus 25, that is 5625. So 5600, that is 5600 plus 25 last two digits. So that is 5625. This is the way of doing square of a number whose last digit or unit place digit is 5. One more number we will see. It is 95 square. So 95 square means last two digits. It's ending with 5 only. So last two digits will be 25. Next digit how you will find? Here it is 9. So 9 into next number 10. That hundreds. So number is 9 into 100, it is 90, and this 25 together you have to write. So 9025. This is the way of doing this calculation. Hope you understood. One more example I will show you. One 3-digit number we will take. 115 square. So 115 square, last digit, again it is 5 only. So square of this number ends with 25 only. Now next digit to find, you have to take together. Don't take 1 here, full number you have to take. 11 into next number, that is 12. 11 into 12, hundreds. 11 into 12 it is, how much it is? 11 into 12 it is 132. So 132 hundreds. Or you can write like this, 132 100 plus 25, or directly you can write, no problem. That is equal to 25. 13,225. This step you can avoid it, directly you can write. So 13,225 will be the square of 115. So hope you understood, children. So we will pass on to the next topic. It is Pythagorean triplets. So consider 3 numbers, 3, 4, 5. For example, you take 3, 4, 5. In this, biggest number is 5. What is the square of that biggest number? That is 5 square is equal to 25. Now take the other 2 numbers, 3 and 4. Square it, 3 square and 4 square. Take the sum of that, 3 square plus 4 square equals 3 square how much? It is 9, plus 4 square how much? It is 16. What is 9 plus 16? It is again 25. So that means 3 square plus 4 square equals 5 square. See, this is the speciality of these numbers, collection of these numbers 3, 4 and 5. So this speciality, famous mathematician Pythagoras has found it by using right angle triangle. So that's why it is called Pythagorean triplets. So Pythagoras is a well-known Greek philosopher and mathematician who is the founder of Pythagoras Theorem. You might have heard about this theorem. You are going to learn in 10th standard. The theorem proof, everything you are going to learn in 10th standard. I will just show you the Pythagoras picture. See children, this is the famous mathematician and philosopher, Greek philosopher Pythagoras. So any collection of 3 numbers which are having the property of greatest number the whole square or biggest number the whole square is equal to sum of the squares of other 2 numbers, then we can call those 3 collection of that 3 numbers as Pythagorean triplets. Can you say another Pythagorean triplet? Yes, it is 5, 12 and 13. Greatest number is 13. So 13 square how much? It is 169. Sum of the other 2 numbers square, that is 5 square plus 12 square equals 5 square is 25 plus 12 square means it is 144. So 25 plus 144, it is nothing but 169. So that means 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Since this property exists for this collection of numbers 5, 12 and 13, you can say that these are Pythagorean triplets. So like this, we can make infinite number of collection of 3 numbers. How we will make like that? See, these 2 set of numbers only we can take. So first set of number 3, 4, 5. You just take the multiples. That is, first you multiply with 2. If you multiplying by 2, you will get 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8 and 5 2s are 10. So 6, 8, 10 is another collection of Pythagorean triplets. Like that, if you multiply with any number, you multiply with 3, you multiply with 100, you multiply with 10, You multiply with any number, but when you will multiply, you have to multiply with 3 numbers also, the same number. 5 if you multiply, what you will get? 6 5s are 30, 8 5s are 40, 10 5s are 50. So 30, 40, 50 is another Pythagorean triplet. So like that, with any number you can multiply and you will get the collection of Pythagorean triplets. Similarly, with this other collection 5, 12, 13. This also you can multiply with different numbers and you will get infinite number of Pythagorean triplets. So try to find this also, multiply with 2, 3, 4, whichever number you like, you can multiply with these 3 numbers and get infinite number of Pythagorean triplets. Try that. Now we can generalize the Pythagorean triplets. So if m is any natural number, small letter m is any natural number, then, and one more thing is m is greater than 1. Condition also is there. If m is greater than 1 and m is a natural number, then 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. These 3 forms a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. So 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. In this, which one is smaller, which one is greater, we can't find. While substituting, you have to get m a whole number. Then you can take that value of m. By using this pattern, we can find if one number is given, any one number is given, we can find the remaining 2 numbers. If the triplet, one number is given. So let's see how to find that. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 14. So we know that general form is m square plus 1, m square minus 1 and 2m. Anyway you can write, you can jumble and write, no problem. These are the numbers. So 14 you have to take it as first this number we will check. Assume that m square plus 1 is equal to 14. You are just assuming, taking first number, just assuming that given number is equal to that. Now you find m from that. For that m square first you have to find. Take this plus 1 to the other side. So 14, it will say change the sign, minus 1. That is m square is equal to 13. So you can't find m square. If it is 13, 13 is not a perfect square. You can't find m then. So leave that. So don't take that. Next assume that. Next one you assume. M square minus 1. Next one is m square minus 1 is equal to 14. So m square equals minus 1 will transpose. So plus it will become 14 plus 1 is 15. Again 15 is not a perfect square number. So you can't find now. There are methods to find, but now you don't know to find. So leave like that only, don't want that. Next one. Assume that 2m is equal to 14. Next, the third number, it is 2m that you have to put for 14. Equalize it. So m is equal to. So here it is multiplication. So this 2 will come as division. So 14 by 2 which is equal to 7. You got the whole number there. So when you will get the whole number, you have to take the m value 7. So m is equal to 7. You got the m value. Now substitute for these 3 numbers. First one is m square plus 1. So that is m square plus 1 equals 7 square plus 1. That is 49 plus 1, 50. So first number is 50. Now second number m square minus 1. That is 7 square minus 1. 49 minus 1. It is 48. Next is 2m. That is 2 into 7, it is 14. So which are the triplets there? Which are the members of the triplets? 14, 48, 50 are the triplets, are the Pythagorean triplets. So this is the way of finding the Pythagorean triplets, the members of Pythagorean triplets, if any one number is given. Remaining two numbers you can find out. One more example I will show you. Find the triplet whose smallest member is 18. So smallest member is given. So smallest is given also, one member is given also, method is same only. So you have to find, you have to substitute what are the numbers, m square plus 1, m square minus 1 and 2m. So each one, first one assume that first number you take m square plus 1 is equal to 18. So what is m square? 18 minus 1 after transposing, it is 17. 17 is not a perfect square number, you have to leave that. Next one, what you have to take? Next number you should take. So m square minus 1 is equal to 18. So what is m square then? 18 plus 1. Transpose that minus 1, so it will change to plus 1. It is 19. Again, this is not a perfect square number, so you have to leave it. Next, you have to find 2m is equal to given number 18. So m is equal to 18 by 2, which is 9. So here you got the whole number. So when you will get the whole number, here if you are getting whole number, you have to stop that. Again, don't give the third number. First only if you are getting the whole number, you can stop there only. So m, after getting m, come back to that, three numbers, triples. Then m square plus 1 is equal to 9 square plus 1, or it is 81 plus 1, it is 82. And m square minus 1, it is 9 square minus 1, 81 minus 1, it is 80. Next one, 2m is equal to 2 into 9, which is 18. So 18, 80, 82. These are the triplets. So 18, 80, 82 are the triplets. Hope you understood, children. So any one number if it is given means you can find the triplets by using this general form of the Pythagorean triplets. So with this I am winding up this session, children. I will give you some few homework questions related to the same topic only. Exercise 6.2 sums. Few sums I have shown that you have to do it in your classwork by yourself. First main, find the square of the following without multiplying the number by itself. That is, normal multiplication you should not do. You have to split it, do it in expanded form, and then how I showed using distributive property, you have to find the answer. First one 32, so 30 plus 2 you have to take. Second one 93, 90 plus 3. Third one 71, that is 70 plus 1. Next 35, this is ending with 5. You can use the second method also here. So any number ending with 5 means you can use the second method. Next one is 46, that is 40 plus 6, you have to expand it and then use the distributive property. Second main, write Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 6. Second one is 16, 14 and 12. So you have to use the general format of Pythagorean triplet, that is 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Using that you have to find the value of m, and then using that value of m should be a whole number. Using that value you can find the remaining two Pythagorean triplets also. So if any one set of Pythagorean triplet if you get, mean that doesn't mean that only that one using that number you will get. There are so many numbers like that. Using 12 when you will find, you will get a different collection of Pythagorean triplet other than what I have showed in example sum. That is 12, 5, 13. Other than this, the Pythagorean triplet, you will get different number using this 12. So hope you will do all these sums in your homework book and classwork also complete with the same sums which I have shown in the video. So thank you, children.